Okay, the truck's going to pull away here in a second. It's been sitting there for an hour and a half approximately. When the truck pulls away, you'll see the damage to the tree. The limb's been laying on the truck for an hour and a half. I don't know if he was aware of it or not. Nobody inspected the vehicle after it pulled away to see if it was damaged. You'd think they would. And the limb hits the truck again. That's probably where that light come off of. Somewhere up there, something got broke off the truck.
3520.
A very large limb. I just want the village to come down and fix the tree and pick up the limb, and it doesn't seem like they want to do it.
3520, signal 3.
Go ahead.
Gonna be a green Dodge truck. Can't see the 7. In the 300 block of southbound.
Clear, green Dodge truck, 300 South Allen.
Signal 3743.
Clear 16 to
3520, Ohio 7.
Go ahead.
The Henry Young 1856. HYY 1856.
That comes back to Jennifer Gregory on a 1999 Dodge truck, green in color.
And away they go.
Clear 76
End of video.
2021.